Yeah, because I remember last year we had to run out there and I dumped one in the water. Oh, that's right. That was awesome.
Graham, the one that was on top of the box. He says there's a box that goes with it.
That one?
That one that he just took out. He said there's a whole box that goes with it.
Oh, sure. This one?
Oh, we'll do it in the... You want that? Take the whole, carry the whole... That's how we want that. Yeah. Yeah.
America!
That was military tag right there. Oh, is that one super big?
Yeah, look at the stuff in the air.